Has Bitcoin bottomed out and we're now ready for a big bull run again? Let's go straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video. Trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There is no guarantees of making money in the markets, and trading is the most hardest thing you'll ever do, and it takes a long time to become a good trader. So this video is just educational only. If you're struggling with your trading right now, then click on the very first link in the description. We're going to learn a free training, the 7 universal laws to become a master trader that will boost your success, consistency, and confidence without spending a decade trying to figure it out. Click on the very first link in the description right now. All right, hey traders, so when I'm recording this video for you today, this is what Bitcoin looks like right now. And I've been seeing and I've been hearing a lot of people talk about Bitcoin and what's going on, and did Bitcoin just bottom out? And a lot of people saying that Bitcoin did just bottom out, and it's now getting ready for a big bull run, and and that the bottom, these low points here. The low points here at $6,000 was a gift from the markets, and etc, 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 etc. Now, I'm pretty sure the exact same people that are saying that this here was a gift were probably saying this here was a gift, and probably saying this here was a gift. So they're probably averaging down as this market continues to go down and down and down. So the question that you have to ask yourself is, and has Bitcoin bottomed out, and are we starting to rally? Now, without our thoughts, without what we think, because what we think is really the opposite of what really happens in the markets. But what's really going on with Bitcoin right now? Now, remember, if you go back and have a look at Bitcoin when the market was going up a lot, what was Bitcoin doing? And I know this might sound really simple, but what was Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin was doing what? It was making what? It was making higher lows, equal low, higher low, higher low, higher low, right? Significant, right? These are the significant higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, all the way up. And what I mean by significant is you can see the market rallies up, rallies down, rallies up, rallies down, rallies up, rallies down, rallies up. Makes sense? So they're the significant lower highs and higher lows. Now, high lows, all the way up, and then Bitcoin started to go big, and then Bitcoin went parabolic, and so on and so forth. Now, look what happened after that. What happened after that? We started going what? We started going sideways. We had a little bit of a high here, but if you see, look, it ran down basically, and then ran up, and then ran down, and then ran up, and then ran down, and then ran up. So if you look at it from an non-emotional standpoint on the markets itself, and you can see what Bitcoin is doing right now. Again, lower high, lower high, lower high. So this here, a major resistance right now. So has gold bottomed out? There is no sign of this. There's no signal of this of bottom out. Remember, you don't want to be trying to capture, professional traders don't capture the start, the 20% of any bull, the start or the end. The 20% of the start or 20% of the end of a big bull or big run. What they do, what professional traders do, is they wait for the market to turn around. Just say the market does this, right? The market runs up, Oh my goodness, I missed out. They wait for a pullback. They get in there here. The market rallies up, starts doing this, and then it rallies up through here. So what the professional trader will do is they'll start to look to enter here, and they'll look to exit up here. No, they won't get the top. Sometimes they do. And no, you don't pick the bottom. But what professional traders do to put the odds on your side is you'll get the what? You'll get the 80% there. Or that's actually 60%, but anyway, the bottom 10% and the top 10% you probably miss out on. But if you want probability on your side, then you want to wait for that high low. So that's what Bitcoin's doing right now. We haven't created that. We just had a little up move through here. Nothing has really changed in the mix of who's in control of this, who's in control. A really simple analysis. Lower high, lower high. This still could be another lower high through here. So, and once again, looking at all this resistance where we are right now in Bitcoin and in the past. So you'd want to start to see if Bitcoin's going to start to change its tune. You want to see a close above 12,000. And if I close above 12,000, that's where Bitcoin's going to start. Remember, you don't want to try to pick the bottom. You don't want to try to pick tops. You want to wait for the market to tell you. And then if it starts to close above 12,000, we may even go up to 13,000. If it's going to do that, then wait for a retracement, then capture the move back up to 20. That's where I believe it'll go to if we start to rally back up. Personally, I don't believe that's going to happen. I believe we're likely to start to head back down again. We're going to continue back down. So, but wait for the market. Don't trade based on what you think, hope, or fear. Just trade with what the chart is telling you. Right now, the chart is saying, hey, we're still making these lower highs all the way down. So don't fight the trend.